Today I'll be showing fuse box location on Ford F550. So first thing first, I'm gonna show you where OBD port is. It's right under the steering wheel. There's your OBD port. So you get to the first fuse box location, it's right here. It says fuse panel. Just take a screwdriver or something, turn it this way. So do it this way. I think there's two more on the bottom. One here and one there. And that comes off. And there's your fuses right in here. So to get to them, you just pull on it really hard. There's your fuses. There's a stick to use the fuse. Take the fuses off. To put it back. Just pop it in place. There you go. To put this back, you just line it up. Just like that. Pop it and twist. And do the same thing to this one. To get to another fuse box location, you have to open the hood. So to get to the second one, it's right in here. To open it, you just have to pry on that, and then just lift it up. And location is right there. And there's your fuse. Put it back, just close it, make sure that clicks. And then there's some relays here. Comment below if you know what they're for. That's all I found, just two fuse locations. If you know any other one, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.